Five, six, seven, eight.
14 billion years ago, God put on a really big show. He winked his eye and a thunderbolt flying, the moon and the stars appeared in the sky. His toes started tapping, fingers started snapping. He laughed, jumping Jupiter. This is happening. He did the Big Bang Boogie. 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 He said, "Let the dance begin." He made the birds of the air, the fish of the sea, the beasts of the field, Adam and Eve. They worked 6 long days, getting there right, and then just before he made Saturday night, he hollered, "Gabriel, grab your horn and call some friends." And then all the saints came marching on in. Doing the Big Bang Boogie. The Big Bang Boogie. They did the Big Bang Boogie. They did the Big Bang Boogie. Horse cooking good time. Sky's not the limit anymore. Infinity has your future in store. When you're all stressed up, no place to go. There's a time and space you already know. It's your inner space, honey, your greatest frontier. And the time to search you just might hear. The Big Bang Boogie. It's the Big Bang Boogie. The Big Bang Boogie. It's the Big Bang Boogie. Big Bang Boogie, lots of moving good time. Big Bang, Big Bang Boogie, 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 Big Bang Boogie, jumping, hopping, big time. Big Bang Boogie. Big Bang Boogie, Big Bang Boogie, so constant rocking big time. The Big Bang Boogie, our supernatural swinging time.
The dance is called Big Bang Boogie, choreographed by Michelle Burton. It's a 48 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, K-step. Forward to the right diagonal, touch, back, touch, back to the diagonal, back, touch, forward touch. Section 2. We're going to push your shoulders, right, left, 4 counts leaning forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same thing, gradually leaning back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, grapevine. Side, behind, side, touch, point, hitch, point, hitch. Section 4, side, behind, side, touch, point, hitch, point, hitch. Section 5, slow pivots, step, turn a half, step forward, turn a quarter. Last section, swivel steps. Slow right, slow left, and then fast right, left, right, left. That's the whole dance. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.